Part six of my Creator and God series deals with India's decline and downfall. India's decline and downfall. The truth is completely covered up in India. This truth is completely covered up in India. And I'm revealing over 16 reasons. Nobody knows who is God in India. Nobody knows who is Creator in India. Nobody knows how they were born. Nobody knows this mystery. Truth is completely covered up. If they can cover up PM Modi's rape by religion, then they can cover up anything. If they cover up Kalima's sins in India, they can cover up anything. And they can worship goddesses as God when they're really dark energies, deities. It's a case of blind leading the blind. It's a case of blind leading the blind. The Brahmin's weakness, the caste system, false beliefs, all that have contributed to India's downfall, at least in the last 1,000 years, if not for the last 5,000 years. Definitely, if you really want to dissect through, then it's 5,000 years, but certainly for the last 1,000 years. Stones are more important than human beings in India, which is a tragedy. Nobody knows where they come from. Ignorance is bliss. Ignorance is bliss.